Hey, welcome back. You're going to love this. Here with tips on how you can pump up your thinning hair and your confidence, too. Erin O'Brien is with us. How are you, Erin?
Very excited, as always, to be here.
But you really wanted to talk about this because,
yes,
you know, this is a serious subject matter. It's about when your hair is thinning, you lose your confidence, and it happens through medication. It happens through aging. What else?
Pretty much like hormonal is a big part of it as well, stress. And it's very emotional. And like you said, Marilyn, it's something where sometimes you feel like you've lost yourself. Yeah. As you know, I've been through this journey as well.
I know you have.
And this is really important. And I really want people to kind of hear all these other ways that we can really solve this issue.
Yeah, I think you're going to find this inspirational, this segment. Erin gave one of our viewers a hair transformation. Here's the story.
Hi, I'm Tim, and I really want help from your fabulous team with my thinning hair. I first noticed my hair thinning when I was in my 30s, and I was standing in the mirror getting ready for my cousin's wedding, and I realized that my hair was receding. I think it's getting finer because I am getting older, but also male pattern baldness does run in our family. My hair bothers me because I don't know who that person is anymore. I don't feel the confidence to go out there and be myself, who I was. My hair hasn't always been like this. I used to have a very full, thick head of hair. It was a great part of my identity. It was who I was. And now, I don't feel myself. I've lost that part of me, and I want it back. My current hair routine, not much these days. I kind of wash my hair, give it a quick blow dry, and most of the time, I just grab my hat and off the door I go. I'm looking for a hair makeover because I want to be happy with who I see in the mirror. Marilyn, please help me. I'd love to see what you can do.
Well, I personally can't do anything, but I know that Erin has worked his magic. Here's what Tim's hair looked like before. All right? So there it is right there. And Tim, let's see your hair now. I can't wait. What? Come on, how do you feel?
I feel absolutely phenomenal. I can't explain how I feel. It is so amazing to see myself. It is a whole other level. I don't know how to explain it. It's phenomenal.
Well, that's so awesome. So many superlatives in that whole, statement. And that's what's so great about it. Confidence is back.
Confidence is back, Marilyn.
What did you do?
So, Marilyn, this is a fantastic new technology. It's been around for a little while, and they are called thin skin hair pieces that you can literally adhere to your hair with glue. Now, this hairpiece is from Lordhair.com. It's absolutely fantastic. And I do have one here just to kind of show you what we use on Tim, just so people can see at home. Yeah. It's this thin skin that you can see right through. It looks like your natural scalp. Your hairline is undetectable. Okay. And it stays on your head for about 2, 3, even 4 weeks. And you can live your regular life. You can go swimming, shampoo, run out in the rain, whatever you need to do. Okay. It's there. And it makes you feel like it's your own hair. It's always there. You're still in your own routine.
So what's the care? So the care is what?
So hair care is just making sure that you're not washing it too often, because you always want to make sure that the hairpiece stays intact. Yeah. So shampooing maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks, and then in between just letting water run through the hair as well, just so you're not drying it out. You can comb it through using a detangler or something along those lines. Just always hydrating it. But taking care of it, honestly, it's so easy. As you know, I'm wearing one now. Yeah. And I've never felt better, just like Tim. It's easier.
So you're in the business. Yes. So you know that you have to get your hair cut at a certain time. So the hair that he does have has to be maintained. So that's why you say 3 to 4 weeks, right?
Yeah, every 3 to 4 weeks, they'll come in, get that changed out. They can cut, blend the piece in with your own natural hair. Some people might need their own natural hair colored. Yeah. So yeah, it's great. Very easy.
Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for you.
Oh, thank you. I'm happy too. It's amazing.
Have you been out and about yet? Have you been walking up the streets of Toronto saying, hoping it's windy?
Not yet, but I can't wait to get back out there and show the new me. For sure. It is something amazing. Thank you. Well,
thank you for letting us do this with you and requesting this. And Erin, thank you, because I can see the difference. It's like night and day.
It is. He's so lovely.
I'm talking about your confidence, not what's on your head. I love it. I know. Oh, good on you. I'm really happy. Okay, that was a salon transformation.